Well, it's your ride 254. You know where we at. Out here in that yard, man. Let's get this fuel regulator. Let's go.
Hey, I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Out here, Junkyard flow. Y'all know how it goes. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The sun is shining. Had to get out here because it might not be like this next week or tomorrow. Y'all know specifically I was looking for the fuel pressure regulator. See, we got lucky. Found one right here. Usually when I come to the yard, man, these be the first motherfucking things to be gone. And I used to wonder why. But now I know. Because the brand new one is like not cheap. So you find me a wheel over here to step on. Okay, you know me, man, I'm short. Take this a little bit. God damn it. I'm trying not to get dirty. I gotta go handle some business after this. And look at that. That is my screwdriver from last time that I left. Thank you. God is good all the time. Because I took the injectors off of a couple of these. And why I gotta be so short? It looks like I was telling y'all, it was a difference in the fuel rails and the setups. So basically, I'm gonna pull one of these so y'all can see. Now I know why mine was leaking, because it's missing this little black part right there that pushes the seal or the O-ring off in there and seals everything up. There's also a little screen here you can pull, and it goes in there like that. It's kind of dirty. You can spray it off or some shit, but it's just an additional filter to keep stuff from getting down off in there. I also another thing that I noticed, or when I looked it up, was that the flex fuel rail regulator and the actual regular injectors, they flow at different rates. So the whole too much fuel thing that was fouling out the plugs could have not only been related to the injectors, but to the fuel rail as well. I believe that the injectors are different in the fuel rails, but the intakes are all the same. Comment down below if you know, or if you want to tell me that I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Either way, like, comment, subscribe. Let's see what else we got over here. See what we got over here. See. And so yeah, the ones that are straight out are the ones that are the flex fuel, and the ones that point up are the regular ones. Just some fun facts that you may have known, may not have known. I didn't know, so I'm gonna just tell y'all. But if you want to let me know how you knew and I didn't know, Leave it down in the comments below. Make sure you click that like button. Fuck, I'm short. I need another fucking tire. Hold on. Oh man. Fucking fuel flew everywhere. So I'm assuming and this one was running when it came in. Damn, that bitch hit the ground. There you go. Yeah, that motherfucker was full of fuel. Full of fuel. Now where did that O-ring go? And that's what mine at the house was missing. This little black part right here. But I figured since we here, no use in coming for just this. Might as well get everything we can. Alright. See if I can find a damn O-ring. But yeah, like I said, grab a couple of these and then get back to home base. Know what I mean? Boom, they got an O-ring in there, swimwear. Now these shits is motherfucking $50 to $60 at the fucking store. Or you can come in the junkyard and get you a couple of them for the low. See what else we got out here. Is that another one? It's just raining regulators out of this bitch, huh? Climb my little short ass up here. Yeah, for those of y'all that don't know, man, LA Chevrolet is not fucking tall. Oh. I need my fucking screwdriver. Oh, look there. They got some HID ballast. They probably don't work, but yeah. I'm gonna go back and get my fucking screwdriver. All right. I'm bringing it back on when we find something interesting. It was at this moment that I decided to change this video from just me going for some shit for me to some shit for y'all. Here is the best bang for buck LS swap parts that if they work, get them shit from the junkyard. And if not, it's still worth the chance. So, as we climb up on another victim, in which I have taken the fuel pressure regulator, retail value of $95 brand new in the store. For the Delphi, and then for the off-brand shit, it's like 40, 50 bucks, something like that. Here we are here at a motor. This is a earlier model drive-by cable, as you can see by the throttle body. Do I need a throttle body? No, I think I'm good. So, a couple of the things that I noticed as I was taking out this fuel regulator that I always see these sensors missing. Idle air control and throttle position sensor. Those are two very vital and essential hoses that you may need and might cost you a little bit of bread. Now, I want to say the map sensor is back there. That's gonna bring you about 40, 50 bucks brand new. But if you can find one at the junkyard, then you save yourself some money. These sensors, I don't know. I will have to get a screenshot and put up on the screen for y'all so y'all know the savings. Let's see. Coil packs are usually another thing that they go pretty quickly. Fuel rails, throttle bodies. Let me see what else. Trying to see. If we find anything else. Well, yeah, I know for sure it's the idle air control because as you can see, where were they at? Somebody over here lined up like 3 of them. Like they got a whole gang of them shits. I think I need one of these. I'm gonna take one. Since they just laid them out there for me anyway. These look to be the ones identical for most LS swaps or the LS motors. Let's see. They already took the ones off of that one too. See, now you can see, I can show y'all the difference. See, the fuel regulator for the regular injectors here, both of those, they point up. As you can see, that one there sticks out to the side, and that is going to be your flex fuel setup. And you can tell that before you even look at the injectors. The more you know. Let me see. Yeah, man. Idle air control. I guess ain't nobody got to this one yet. Idle air control, throttle position sensor. Those are very high commodity, as well as the map sensors. You go try to get some of this stuff, man. You're gonna end up paying arm and leg, arm, leg, arm, leg. So if you don't want to do that, then take your talents to South Beach. Or, you know, if you just balling out of control like that, go buy some new shit. But we B.O.B. over here, balling on a budget. But yeah, see, as you can see on that one, there goes the missing coil pack. You know, them joints go bad. Get you a couple of them joints. You know what I'm saying? Somebody done raided the shit out of this fuse box. All them gone. See what we got over here. We got another one. See, this is why I love this shit. That one got the flex fuel injectors. Flex fuel injectors, I can tell by the regulator, but if you look at the plugs, it'll tell you too. Notice how they are different from these skinnier ones that you find on the regular plug-in, as you see there. So, yeah, man, that's gonna about do it for me, man. I got a couple of what's the names? I got a couple fuel pressure regulators, and I got an idle air control valve that should give us everything we need. And I don't think it was the idle air control valve that was bad. It was just simply that one. Didn't have that little black piece, and that's why it wasn't sealing up the way it was supposed to and spitting fuel. So of course we found the 6.0, but the 6.0 is missing. This is gonna be in a Cadillac Escalade 2002. Maroon, engine trans runs good, and of course they took it like some whores 6.0. Engine and trans is gone. But it is what it is. One day, people. One great day. There's a motorcycle if anybody looking for a motorcycle. I got a shitload of tires, so. Till next time.